Alright guys, the Claret & Blue Train Spot here, welcome back to another video. This time we are at my local station of Erdington on the Cross City line, where we should see services from West Midlands Railway and hopefully the railhead treatment train turns up as well. You can tell by the thumbnail whether or not it has. 7:30 004 and 0:30 for West Midlands Railway brought me in from Birmingham New Street. They're working the service from Bromsgrove to Lichfield Trent Valley. They have since departed. That's pretty much everything you need to know, so just sit back, relax, enjoy this video, and let's see what shall arrive and depart, and hopefully pass by here at Erdington. Okay, now approaching will be the 12:27 West Midlands Railway service from Four Oaks to Redditch. These will never be better than 323s. 7:30 041 leads him in. .010 on the rear. That sun is in the wrong place. Right, at 7:30 041 and 0:10 depart with the 12:27 West Midlands Railway service to Redditch. I think we also have coming in the 12:29 West Midlands Railway service from Redditch to Four Oaks. So that magpie might want to get off the track. Just a suggestion. Thank you. Led in by 7:30 026, and I'll get the rear when he departs. Okay, I think 7:30 026 is now getting ready to lead away the 12:29 West Midlands Railway service to Four Oaks. Look, don't get me wrong, these are nice trains. You got... oh, who's on the rear? 028 on the rear. Don't get me wrong, they are nice trains. Like, the inside of them is lovely. You know, there's loads of space in them. They're open. They can handle the villa crowds quite well. But... yeah, they don't have the character the 323s do, though. I just wish I'd have kept one or two 323s running around just to give you a little bit of variety, because you know what's crap up here now. Like, the Cross City line's lost a little bit of its soul. Remember when the Cross City line used to have, you know, it's still got turbo stars, like the north section. No, the south section, sorry. The Cross City line south still has your turbo stars down there. Like, cross country. But you kind of miss their West Midlands turbo stars. You miss having the odd 172 running around there. You know, you miss having... I think they used to have dog boxes on there sometimes. Obviously the 323s, you miss them, the HSTs. The Cross City lines, you know, seems to be... like I say, it's just having its soul ripped out of it. Because, yeah, I mean, it's just bland plastic crap, really. Like I say, the new trains are nice, but you can't beat the old trains. Okay, now approaching with 12:37 West Midlands Railway service from Lichfield Trent Valley to Bromsgrove. 730.024 leads him in. 035 on the rear. Okay, now coming in will be the 12:49 West Midlands Railway service from Bromsgrove to Lichfield Trent Valley. Led in by 730.020, and I'll get the rear when he departs. Okay, now getting ready to lead away the 12:49 West Midlands Railway service to Lichfield Trent Valley is 730.020. .032 on the rear. Okay, now coming in, I want to say it's going to be 730.028 and 026 on their return, working the 12:57 West Midlands Railway service from Four Oaks to Redditch. Indeed it is. Okay, now arriving is the 12:59 West Midlands Railway service from Redditch to Four Oaks, coming in about 2 minutes late. 730.022 leads him in, and I'll get the rear when he departs. Okay, I think 730.022 is now getting ready to lead away the 12:59 West Midlands Railway service to Four Oaks. Getting some friendly drivers today. On the rear is 730.033. Okay, now approaching will be our final passenger train of this video. It's going to be the 13:07 West Midlands Railway service from Lichfield Trent Valley to Bromsgrove. .730.039 leads him in. And you got 730.003 on the rear. And I think we've got a plane as well, heading into Birmingham Airport. Where is it? company is that? I could look on Flight Radar, but I can't be bothered. All I know is he's going into Birmingham Airport. Yeah, I ain't got a clue what company that is. And like I say, I'm not looking it up. Might as well continue recording. It's, I think, 7:30, 039 and 003 are off as well. Okay, and now approaching will be our final train of the video. This will be the railhead treatment train working 3 Sierra 02 from Kings Norton OT Plant Depot to Kings Norton On Track Plant Depot. Courtesy of Network Rail. No, he didn't scare me. DR 98905 and DR 98955 on the rear. That time of year, innit? Does sound good though, don't they? Them ones do sound good. Yeah, as he continues on his final leg of his journey around the Midlands towards Kings Norton, I am going to leave that video there, guys. Yeah, I mean, it's Erdington, innit? I mean, like, it's never going to be too fancy. It's literally just going to be 7:30 after 7:30 after 7:30. That RHTT just gave us a little bit of variety, to be honest. Yeah, I'm never doing a trains at here again. That was a one-off, just to say I've done it, because someone requested me to do it a couple of months back, and I thought, why not? Yeah. I mean, yeah, would I recommend it to you? If you're a fan of 7:30s, then yeah, go ahead, come here. It's all right for you then. But yeah, I'm like I say, I'm not filming here again. Like, it's pointless, really, isn't it? Like, unless if like we get a week where cross country are sending diversions through here or something, then yeah, like, I don't think I'll do it again. Yeah, I don't know where I'm going to be going to next, I'll be brutally honest. Yeah, so just keep an eye out, really. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope you did enjoy. If you did, then don't forget to leave a like, share with your friends, subscribe, comment down below any other stations you want me to go to, and I'll see what I can do. Be aware as well with some of your requests. If it's like somewhere that's far from Birmingham, there's a good chance it probably won't happen until sometime next year. Yeah, Twitter, WhatsApp, Blue Sky, all linked down below if you want to go and follow them. And until my next video, whenever and wherever that shall be, from me, the current blue train spotter here at Erdington, I shall catch you all later, guys. Cheerio.